Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, Mr. Reeves, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I have been given a topic which is, to me, is very difficult. Anyway, I will try my best to give some of the thoughts I thought about. When I was young, at the age of 7, I was in class 2, and I remember my father gave me in one Eid one garment, just a single round neck T-shirt, and that was the ultimate thing at that time. Had it been given now, poorest man in Bangladesh, it would be of no interest. The thing is, the Bangladesh in 1970 or 1971 and Bangladesh in 2016 is completely different. Earlier, we started our garments in 80s. Regards to late Nurul Qadir, who was in Desh Garments. He invented a vehicle, an instrument called back-to-back LC, a wonderful instrument that gave the opportunity of financing the whole industry without really investing anything. So the thing is, and from then our entrepreneurs have taken risks, and our government in the consecutive decades have assisted them by providing finance and other facilities that has brought us to a garment export of about $26 billion at this level. Yes, we could do even better, but the thing is, we are moving, and we are having 7% GDP growth, which is wonderful. And if we can sustain a GDP growth of 7% for next 5 years, so there should not be any confusion that this country really has the potentiality of becoming a mid-level, mid-income country by 2021, which the government as well as our honorable business leaders. If we really want to do good, and definitely we will do good, we have to concentrate and think it more professionally. And if we can, I'm talking about the industries, I'm not talking about the government part, because I think it is only the textile millers part. What are the challenges and opportunities? Whatever we do nowadays, we have to focus on the following things: mission, vision, core values, strategic area of focus, strategic goal, and action plan. Because this makes a hell lot of difference between success and failure. If you look at the top 100 companies in the world, they all have been doing all these things, and few of the top merchants are here. I'm sure they also have this kind of things in their mind when they do make their action plans. In my opinion, whenever there is any challenge, I think there is an opportunity. with every problem there comes an opportunity. And earlier in the morning session, our millers were telling about gas problem, but you have seen that in 2016 also there was expansion of 33%. We have seen it in Mr. Raziv's presentation. So the thing is, our entrepreneurs are resilient. So if there is any challenge, definitely our leaders have the quality and capability to address it. So in my opinion, the things which are important, I have mentioned. Number one is market diversification. It is very important that from various points, from hedging point of view, and and also you need to look for better market opportunities to improve your business returns. The second point is product diversification. Textile garments manufacturers nowadays are actually making mid to high-end value garments. So definitely they are looking, every day they are looking for new products. They are not doing only because it is not available. It is available outside, but since garments lead time is day by day reducing, so unless in the country you don't have the facility to provide it within the shortest possible time, it really becomes difficult to cater the need. Another point is risk and change management. During the last 2 years, the amount of volatility, overall economic volatility we saw, I didn't see it in last 10 years. And amount of volatility in the future coming days are not going to really go away because of the uncertainty about the growth in Europe, in US, you will see almost 0% interest rate. I had a discussion 1 month ago. One of the bankers from Standard Chartered was saying they are having in the banking system in Bangladesh, they are having 1.5 lakh crore Bangladeshi taka deposited but not being able to utilize. I think he can justify it well. So, and also there are so many things going on all over the world we can see. So the risk and change management is a very important thing. We have to actually adjust manage the risk. And when, as a spinner, managing the cotton is very important. And we must take all the actions so that we can hedge our positions and reduce our risks. Second is, another thing is productivity. There is no doubt that costs will go up. It is inevitable that gas price would be increased because still we are, if you compare in world price, our price is lower. So we have to be on the floor. So what we can do, our productivity is very less. I give you an example. In Bangladesh, good mills who are said to be reasonably productive, are having GPSs of 180 grams per spindle per day. While in India or Pakistan or Thailand or Korea or Indonesia, they are having about 210. So nobody is going to help us with this. It's us who has to make it, cover it. And we have to find ways how we can improve our productivity. Same with the garments. Garments, our efficiency is around 36%. In Sri Lanka, probably they are having about 65%. So it's big difference. Development of mid and top level management. Our organizations has become bigger. Earlier, it could be managed by the owner himself. But the owners are getting bigger. There are number of companies who are having a annual turnover of more than 300 crore. So it's not really possible humanly to manage. And only way to manage it is to develop mid and top level management. Development of treating labor as an asset rather than a servant. Actually, it is the labor who are actually doing the job. And if they are motivated, if their problems are taken care, we have good communication, definitely they can make very big difference. So we must put emphasis on having good relationship with our labor. We must take care of them. Compliance. Nowadays, the government's business without compliance is not possible. Research and development. Companies must invest in research and development. BTMA has recently started a R&D cell, but actually we can do more. We don't have any cotton school here. Actually, cotton is a very important thing, and developing knowledge on cotton is very important. Developing human resource managers, developing good technical hands, mid-level management. We need to see what kind of investment we need to do. So this has to be taken care, and research and development will give very high return. Another thing is negotiating and communicating with government. Like Mr. Rajiv Haidar was saying that in India and Turkey they are having system to have almost zero interest finance, something like that. And in India we know since 1997, I think from 1998 to 2005 they had a policy. They have a huge amount allocated to develop and take care so that they can sustain after WTO implementation after 2005. Actually, after 2005, our woven sector has become out of business. Mills who were running 100 looms started running 10 looms. I saw it in 2011. So the thing is, it is very important that business bodies must play a very important role in communicating with government to set up policies, trade fairs, e-marketing kind of things, which is very difficult for a private individual mill to do, with the help of government, it becomes much easier. And last but not the least, e-commerce is a very important thing, because you see, even in Bangladesh, I see my family buys salwar through internet. So these are the things which we need to develop, and these are the opportunities, and if we can utilize all those things, definitely, like we have come all the way to 2016, we definitely will reach 2021, and it could be beyond $50 billion US dollar garment export. Thank you very much.